baby. So Shiloh and I are gonna go see if Jack wants to help us with the carburetor. We got the rebuild kit, so let's go see if Jack's available. So Jack's on board, so we are going to go take the carburetor off, get some gas, and boom. Now we just got to take the carburetor off of here, which would be really easy. Are you ready to take the carb off, Shy? You ready to take the carb off?
Yeah. Working on this bad boy. So that's it. And then we got the hosey thing off.
We got the carb off. Let's go get some gas, and then that way we can hopefully start Morticia once we get it done. Right, Shy?
Hey, y'all. Yeah. Just filling up gassy gas. That's fine, right, Dad?
Yeah. Gotta have a way for Morticia to run, you know. Let's get going. I don't think so.
Martina.
You are buff. All right, fueled up.
Popular in the 90s.
All right, Jack, I think we finally got the right kit.
Hope so, huh?
Yeah, I hope so too. So we got the carb, we got this new kit, which I think is correct. And hopefully Morticia will be good to go. Or at least drivable. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
All right. Jack, I think we got it. What do you think?
I hope so.
Hopefully it works. But we got everything swapped out. The only one thing I'm wondering is that bead that I put in there. I don't know if it goes in there or not. But so that might have to take out. But I think we got it. And that's the top and bottom seal. So let's go try it. What do you think, Shai?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Jack.
I didn't do nothing.
All right, awesome. So we've got the rebuilt carburetor. Huge thanks again to my buddy Jack. Let's throw it in the 52 and get Morticia running, baby. All right, so it did come with a new seal. So let's swap that out. Let's pull this one. I don't know if it really needs to. It's a little different looking, but everything matches up. So I think we're okay. There we go. Boom. The hole still lines up. Okay, I think we're good there. All right, and then this should go. Make sure I have this correct. This should go like that, right? I think that's right. Okay. Does that look correct? Yeah, I think so, because that goes there. And then we just got to tighten this bad boy up. Okay, easy. We should be pretty good. And hopefully we can start her up. Hopefully she sounds awesome. Oh, I really hope so. All right, and then we just got to connect our fuel line, which probably should rerun that another way, but for now it's working. Get this guy hooked up down here. And then we're just getting our springs hooked up. And as you may remember, Jack and I got a spot down here. So it's got the right angle to it. All right, so I've had this thing on the trickle charger, but I think the battery is pretty dead. This might not work. So, but let's see. We'll give it a try. Why not? But I'm holding my reservation on this one. But I really do want to see Morticia start up. So let's hope this works. Let's see. Am I neutral? That's probably neutral. Oh, we got something. Not enough juice. Yeah, it's not enough juice. Dang it. Now it's, do I pull the battery or do I not pull the battery? But I really want to see how it sounds. I think we got to pull the battery. Poor Frankie's always having to let us borrow his parts. Poor guy. And I've got the coffee can to hold my wrenches. That's actually an idea I got from Kev's Can Cave. Another good dude. Good channel. Go check him out. All right, so hopefully we should be in really good shape. We definitely have power. We got the fuel pump going. We'll let it kind of catch up. I can hear the fuel going through. Give it some petrol. There we go. Well, it's probably, I mean, it was completely empty, so. Wow. I think this is going to be way better. Oh, that didn't sound good. There we go. Sounds like we might have let's let it warm up for a sec first. Definitely way better.
I mean, it doesn't sound perfect, but it sounds way better. That was definitely our issue with the accelerator pump. No, we're rattling her. Oh, that's awesome. Well, that is success. Thank you guys for watching. Morticia's one step closer. We're not going to drive her today, but probably next time. Such a huge difference. Such a huge difference.